Hi everyone, welcome back to Wilson Chinese Corner. Today, we're going to talk about a small character.
他
Usually translate into it. In English, we use it all the time. It's raining. It's 3 o'clock. I like it. Easy, right? But in Chinese, be careful. You can't just say.
他
Every time you see it,
什么时候
it,
可以翻译成他？
when it equals a thing. I have a book. I like it.
我有一本书，我喜欢它。
It equals an animal. The dog is cute. I want to pet it.
那只狗很可爱，我想摸它。
Remember,
它
is only for things and animals. In English, it is often used as a dummy or formal subject, but in Chinese, a subject is usually not needed in these situations. Let's see some examples. It's important to sleep early.
早睡很重要。
It is a dummy subject. But in Chinese, we don't have this type of expression. It seems that he's tired.
它看起来很累。
It's raining.
下雨了。
In this case, subject is not needed. It's 7 o'clock.
现在7点，嚯，7点了。
It's hard to say.
很难说，或者这很难说。
When it refers to a sentence, event, or abstract idea, it is not translated into,
它
but sometimes we use,
这
which means this. I passed the exam. It surprised me.
我通过考试了，这让我很惊讶。
It refers to the event that he passed the exam.
这
Sounds more natural. He apologized to me. It meant a lot.
他向我道歉了，这对我意义重大。
It refers to the event that he apologized. In this case, we use,
这
she didn't come to the meeting. It caused a lot of trouble.
他没来开会，这造成了很多麻烦。
They lost the final game. It broke their hearts.
他们输了决赛，这让他们很心碎。
We moved to a new city. It was a big change.
我们搬到了新城市，这是一个很大的变化。学到这里，你是不是突然明白？哦，原来他根本没英文的 it 那么万能。欢迎留言区练习写一句不能用它的中文句子。
Also feel free to drop examples in the comments below.
喜欢这样的中英双语讲解，别忘了点赞订阅我的频道哦。See you next time，下次见。